Why are millions of children struggling in school every day? It's time to rethink how we educate our kids for a future full of innovation and uncertainty. In Open Education, Matt Bowman and Isaac Morehouse challenge outdated norms and offer a bold new vision. Imagine a system where learning is flexible, personalized, and driven by curiosity. No more rigid age-based grouping, standardized pacing, or arbitrary grading. Instead, empower your child with the freedom to explore their interests and cultivate an entrepreneurial mindset. Open Education is your guide to breaking free from the one-size-fits-all approach. Rekindle your child's love of learning and prepare them for a rapidly changing world. Unlock your child's potential. Dive into Open Education today.